I really appreciate that question. Kasi while we are already talking of what is beyond farm productivity, and I agree naman that we have to really address the issues regarding equity, sustainability, and environmental protection. Still, I think there is a lot to do about farm productivity. And the role of industry is really very important. Ano? Sa biglang tingin, parang mahirap sagutin dahil industry is so diverse and ano. But if we look at the different stages that our food undergoes, okay? Sabi nga nila from farm to table, ano? Lahat ng klase ng involved. So from inputs like fertilizer, o kaya yung equipment that we use for farming and processing, okay? And din yung aspeto ng packaging, mahalaga din ng ating packaging industry, transport, yung distribution, and even energy, okay? Has a big role to play. And so input, productivity, and quality. And as mentioned by Secretary Sulido, marami na naumpisa about smart systems, okay, to be used in the entire supply chain. Okay. However, I think it is probably important to think about it in terms of having integrated systems, ano? Kasi when we talk of, let's say, a particular commodity or crop, okay, mahalaga na yung mga lahat na involved doon ay kakaintindihan, no? Kahit na ang produkto mo lang ay isang crop like sabihin na nating dragon fruit, ano? Pero ang daming involved diyan, mahalaga na sila ay parang sundo-sundo at nagkakaugnayan, no? Nang sa ganun ay magamit nila to the best, ano, maging optimal use of resources and also maximize the returns that they can get. So I also would like to say that ang ating industry, okay, alam ninyo, matagal na natin pinag-uusapan yung industry, academe, government collaboration in science and technology, in research and development. Pero meron nga nagbigay ng observation, and I tend to agree na most of the industries, companies that are talking about collaboration, sabi nila, parang, no? Para bang ginagawa lang nilang CSR, okay? When in fact it should be part of the model, no? So sabi nga magbibigay ng konting pera para magkaroon ng scholarship, okay? Magpapa-photo op. When in fact talagang dapat ay mas serious sila about making it part of the business model. Siguro din on the part of government, pwede na akong magsalita. I think marami tayong R&D na ginagawa na hindi nagagamit. Alam naman ng DOST yan ano? And so I think yung sistema natin na puro, most of the time, although hindi na siguro ngayon, most of the time, yung pagpili ng projects nanggagaling bottom up. May mga nagsasubmit, pag nakalusot, yun na. Okay? When in fact, sa tingin ko, ang daming research and development dapat manggaling top-down. Yung gusto ng nasa itaas ang gawin, okay? Para talagang maramdaman yung epekto. Kasi ang dami natin ginagastos na R&D. 10 taon na, wala pa ako nakikitang pakinabang. I mean, hindi na makasalanan ng DOST, pero I think we should realize that. Thank you.